Welcome back, Zona Bros, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be looking at this tailgate pad. It's for bicycles. I think they're all for bicycles, but this one has special little straps for bikes, which I didn't see that in a lot of the other ones. So to be honest with you, I've never had a truck before, so I don't really know how to use this. So I guess we'll figure it out together. Let's get started. All right, so we got the two side straps done, just so we know what we're doing. So this is our first time, but we'll do the middle strap on camera. So what you basically have to do is try to take the strap and try to slide it under the tailgate, and then it should come up on the other side. If it doesn't, you might need to open the tailgate partially. There. Then you can go close it. And there's a little tab on here that you need to open. And then slide this up through the first hole. There's two little holes. You slide it up through the first one. You slide it through from here. And then you flip it back. And then slide it through the top hole. And then you just pull. If you're having a hard time, just feed more strap through, and then it should be easy after that. There you go. So what I noticed is there's a part of the strap that's thicker. You can tell, right? This whole top part is a bit thicker. So you're gonna have a hard time getting that part through, but then once you get that done, it's pretty easy after that. But once you tighten the strap, you just close this little flap. So as you can see, it's fully installed. It's not, I mean, it's gonna move a little bit, but it's not too bad. And if you do need to open your tailgate, you just open that and then your tailgate will still open. Kind of opened a little fast there, but it still opens and closes. But a nice thing is that the whole underside of this tailgate pad is lined in this really soft material. So as long as you keep your tailgate clean and you're not putting it over a dirty tailgate, it's not going to scratch your tailgate. It's not going to scratch your paint. So because of this flap here, your camera is pretty much useless, which makes it this isn't something you want to leave on. You should just use it when you're transporting your bikes and then take it off. It's not that hard to take on and put back. It's just 3 straps, so it's not a big deal if you have to keep taking it off and putting it on, which is nice. Let's test it out with the bike. We started by taking the front tire off, and we got the bike in, and we realized that if you have the short bed and you have the Toyota tri-fold tonneau cover, you can't actually put the bike in without removing the cover, which I don't want to do right now, so I'll just let you guys do that. It's not too bad though. You just take that off, and then this part of your frame should line up with these loops. All right, so you just put this loop it around, stick it through that ring. I guess it does work with the tonneau cover, so job well done. Yeah, it seems to be holding up. If you do want to be extra safe, you can get some tie downs and then put hooks on your rails and tie the bikes down. But this seems secure enough. I don't think I'll be doing that today. All right, so one thing I forgot to mention is you do have to take your tire off. Otherwise, it's just too big. It's gonna end up scratching things. The whole point of this is to not scratch anything. So yeah, taking your tire off would be a smart idea. And then you can just put it in the bed somewhere. So yeah, that does it for this setup video. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. If you did, let us know in the comments. If you have any additional questions, also let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you think someone will find this helpful, share the video with them. And I'll see you guys next time.